This video is sponsored by YouTube Kids. What's up, internet users? Today, we are partnering with YouTube Kids to talk about kindness. It is so important to be kind on the internet. The internet is a big place with a lot of information and a lot of people. And sometimes there's bullies. Kids and even adults experience bullying in real life and online. Totally not cool. But do you know what is cool? Kindness. Say hello to our new bestie, Google's Be Internet Awesome Internaut. Yo, I just had the best idea. Let's make an Internaut pop-up cafe. In miniature, of course. So let's get crafty. For this project, I'll be using poster board, printables from our blog, clear plastic from packaging, tape, glue, and cardstock. Start by folding the poster board in half, make a crease, open it up. Decide on how tall you want the walls to be. I want mine to be 15 inches. Fold the poster up at the desired length. Make a crease. So now our poster board is folded into 4 parts. Cut on the bottom line up to the center point. So when we stand it up and overlap the bottom tabs, we have a corner room. Take another piece of poster board, measure it for the floor, cut it down to size, and I'm going to cover it with a print inspired by the Internaut. I made this printable, which I think totally captures his look. Glue it onto the poster board, then glue the poster board onto one of the tabs. I make sure to give myself just a little bit of space before the fold. Apply a generous amount of glue, then press down and firmly hold the poster board until it dries. Lay it on top of the other tab to give the corner room a full-size floor. Repeat to make 2 to double the space. I'm gonna tape these 2 sides together. Lay them so the good side is facing down, then tape along the seam, stopping right at the end of the wall. I make sure not to tape the floors together. And now when I stand them up, I have a nice clean corner. I made a few more printables for the walls. First, I trim off the white border, then glue it onto the wall to look like white bricks with neon lights. On this wall, let's add a vending machine. We have 2 printable vending machines that say it's cool to be kind. Cut them out, glue it onto the wall. So now we have some cool refreshments under our "It's cool to be kind" sign. And it looks like they're built into the wall. Let's add a door over there. Our printable for the door is in 2 parts. Cut them out, glue the 2 pieces together, then glue it onto the wall. For an instant door. We can totally take it a step further and cut out the windows, cut a rectangle of clear plastic from packaging, tape it behind the cutouts to look like glass. I also added some brick wallpaper to the outside and our Internaut Cafe "It's Cool to Be Kind" sign at the top. I made another door and cut out the windows. Now we're just gonna glue this right on top to make a storefront for our Internaut Cafe. And every cyber cafe needs computers. So I take cardstock and cut it into 2.5-inch strips. Glue 2 together, overlapping them by 1/4 of an inch. Fold the paper to make a rectangle. This is 7 inches on the sides and 4 inches across the top and bottom. I'm going to add another layer of cardstock to the top for some strength. I added more layers to this side as well, staying clear of the corner so it can still bend. Glue it onto the wall to make a small counter. Cut out both parts of the printable computer, glue them onto poster board, cut them out. Take the screen and keyboard and fold it in half. Cut to separate the back of the computer. Glue them onto the back of the screen and keyboard to make a laptop that we can place on the counter for a computer workstation. Repeat to make more, so we have lots of available stations. You know what we could use? More Internauts. How about some Internaut artwork and a sign? Cut them out, glue them onto poster board, cut them out, glue them onto the walls. So there is no question that this is the Internaut Cafe. We even have a list of rules so everyone knows how to be internet awesome by spreading positivity, not spreading rumors, respecting others, blocking bullies, and reporting bullying. I put the sign by the door so everybody knows right when they walk in that it is cool to be kind. And now our dolls can stand at their workstations and watch their favorite videos. You know, about crafting, unboxings, that kind of stuff. And when playtime is over, remove the computers, fold up the floors, and the Internaut Cafe closes up for easy storage. And when you're ready to set it up again, it just pops right up. Thank you for joining us while we made a pop-up Internaut Cafe. It's cool to be kind, and we want to share a program called Be Internet Awesome that helps you find ways to talk about bullying and learn more about what you can do if you see it happening. So we can create a culture together of stand-uppers spreading kindness. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!